Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to part 3 of the series, The Parent's Personal Toolkit. We spend our days pouring out patience, guidance, reminders, meals, love. We pour into our children, our homes, our work, but if we never stop to refill ourselves, we will eventually run dry. And from a dry well, you cannot draw living water for anyone. The most important chapter in this entire series is not about your child. It's about you. Your personal connection to Allah is not a luxury. It is the engine of this entire journey. Today, we drop the guilt and learn how to refill your spiritual cup so you have an endless well to draw from. The first step is to break the myth of the perfect Muslim parent. Your children do not need to see a flawless iman. They need to see a real, striving, resilient iman. It is okay for them to see you waking up tired for Fajr, but doing it anyway. You getting frustrated, then turning to say, A'udhu billah, and taking a breath. You making a mistake and seeking forgiveness from Allah and from them. This is not showing weakness. This is showing them what real faith in action looks like, imperfect, human, and constantly returning to Allah. Your struggle is their most powerful lesson in perseverance. There is a divine guarantee in our tradition that is your secret superpower. The Prophet Muhammad said, 3 supplications are answered without a doubt: the supplication of one who is oppressed, the supplication of a traveler, and a supplication of a parent for his child. Your dua is a direct line. It works when your words fail, when your strategies seem futile. Be specific in sujood. Ya Allah, guide my son to love the masjid. Ya Allah, protect my daughter's heart from harmful friendships. Ya Allah, make Quran the comfort of their hearts. Let them hear you. Sometimes, pray for them aloud where they can hear. May Allah make you a leader for good. This plants a seed of identity in their soul. This is your greatest work. Tying your camel means doing all the practical things we've discussed. But placing trust in Allah means pouring your deepest hopes for them into the vessel of dua. Muslim parents often carry a heavy burden of guilt. We feel we are never doing enough. But here is a truth. Allah's mercy encompasses you too. You must extend to yourself the compassion you offer your children. You are not a failure for losing your temper. You are human. Seek forgiveness and try again. Taking 15 minutes for yourself to read Quran or take a walk is not selfish. It is necessary maintenance of Allah's trust, your body and soul. When you make a mistake with your child, model how to seek forgiveness from Allah and from them. Say, I was wrong to yell. I ask Allah to forgive me, and I ask you to forgive me. Let's try again. This self-compassion is what prevents burnout. It turns your home from a place of pressure into a place of mercy for everyone, including you. Your action is not a huge time commitment. It's the 5-minute soul refuel, one tiny, non-negotiable habit for you. Choose one. Do it daily, at a consistent time, right after Fajr, during your lunch break, right before bed. This is not about quantity. It's about consistency and intention. This is your private fuel stop. Guard it. This 5 minutes is the whisper that reminds you, my soul matters too. My connection is the source. Your spiritual fuel checklist. 1. Show real striving. Let them see your authentic, imperfect journey back to Allah. 2. Wield your dua. Invest in your secret, guaranteed weapon, specific, heartfelt supplication for your children. 3. Practice self-compassion. Extend Allah's mercy to yourself. Model seeking forgiveness. 4. Take action. Commit to your 5-minute daily soul refuel. You are the anchor. An anchor must be grounded in something immovable. Ground yourself in Him. Next, we move from internal fuel to external support, partnering with the community. You are not a lone soldier. We'll learn how to find your village. What will your 5-minute soul refuel be? Share it in the comments to inspire others. Subscribe to build your complete toolkit. May Allah replenish your spirit, accept your efforts, and make you a means of guidance for your family. You can support my work by supporting me on Patreon and checking out links to my books and art store in the video description. Jazak Allah khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.